Greetings, this is Jim Lindsay. This is a real short video to just show you the citation guide that I've published on the assignment and papers page of the Blackboard website and explain how to use it. I'm going to go to that page of the Blackboard site now. So the quizzes, assignments, papers, go there, and about 3 or 4 down the page right now you're going to see a citation guide. It's a PDF document. If you open that up, what it looks like is this. This is a document that I got from Jane Fife, Dr. Jane Fife, that runs the Writing Center at WKU, and in it, it's just sort of a synopsis of how you write APA style references to websites, and it gives you basically like different scenarios, like when everything is present that you're supposed to get. And then what if just the author is missing or the date or etc. So as you go down here, down this list, it will explain what's supposed to be not only in the in text citation, but also what's supposed to be at the end of the document. And so I wanted to show you how I want you guys to employ this, because 99% of the time when you're referencing stuff from me, it's going to be through sources that you find through the internet. So you're going to be retrieving stuff from web pages. And so I have a document already pulled up here. This is from a LinkedIn reflection paper from a past student, and these were the sources that that student used. I've redacted their name, but you can see that there are a number of sources that they used. Some of them have all the components that you would be looking for in a citation. It has the author, it has the date, they have the title, they have the location from which they retrieved it, but others don't. Others are missing things like authors, and so the end of the paper reference is going to look like this, if you're missing things like an author. And so how do you know how to do that? Well, you look at this matrix right here, and if the author is missing, then you just do these things right here. If the date is missing, you do these things right here. And so that's how you interpret this. And then in the body of the paper where you're referencing that particular source, what you do, let's look at a couple of them here. Let's come up just a little bit further. Like here we go. On this one right here, this is a citation out to a source that's missing an author. So in that case, because it's missing the author, what do you put into the in-text citation? Let's go look at our guide and see. Well, the author is missing, so you put the title of the document and then the date of the document. And you see right here, there's the title, there's the date. In most of these other instances, like here, there's the author, there's the date of the citation, and so on. And so this is just a real easy to use matrix that came from Dr. Fife, and you can print this thing out. The next page after that, it has some examples in there that you can use to kind of practice. But I think it's a helpful guide. Again, it's called the Citation Guidance PDF that's right there. If you have questions, I'm not a huge stickler on this. I'm not a researcher. I don't write a whole lot. But what I am a stickler on is I want you going out and corroborating things that you think you know, because one of the points of going to a university is to just immerse yourself in things that you can learn from all sorts of different sources. And so when you do that, you need to basically recognize who you got your knowledge from. And so the way that we do that is through, in this case, the APA format to recognize where we glean information from. And so this is out there on the Blackboard site for you. Please contact me if you have questions, and I look forward to seeing your work.